What's up everybody, Blake from exoticcartrader.com, and today we are in shiny South Florida. We are standing with our 2017 G65 Brabus Widestar edition. So from the factory, this is obviously a V12 Biturbo, which already makes it pretty much the king of G-Wagons because you have the 63, which is the lesser model, and then the 550 under that. So this is the ultimate G-Wagon, but the ultimate G-Wagon because it has the Brabus Widestar kit. As you can see, everything's been painted glossy black. It has the big B to let everybody know that you're a little bit better than them. It has the delete for the grille that usually goes here. You can see here, you have your Brabus chin spoiler that's aftermarket, and coming around to the side, you'll see that it has aftermarket fenders. This piece is aftermarket. It bumps the entire truck out, probably like 6-7 inches on each side. It has carbon fiber here, carbon fiber on the hood, which perfectly complements the interior that has carbon fiber trim throughout. The interior is also the Mercedes-Benz Designo black diamond stitched, which is really cool and looks really clean and simple on this truck. As you'll see here, you are pimping on 24-inch Vossens, which look absolutely amazing on this truck and were built to order for this exact vehicle. You'll also see, not only from the front, but from the side, people will also know that you're a little bit better than them because you do have the Brabus side vents that illuminate at night. Also, some LEDs here and LEDs here so that you don't like get in and like eat crap and smash your face. So at night, all that's lit up so that you can see very, very nicely. Coming around the back, you'll see the Brabus rear bumper, which has also LED tail lights. It has your LED reverse lights and LED brakes or hazards. Also, you'll notice that this truck looks amazing because of the color. It's like a matte gunmetal color, which actually came that way from the factory. When the body kit was installed, everything was all body worked and fitted perfectly. And then pretty much the entire side of the truck was sprayed in order to get an absolute perfect match, which you would see if it did not match perfectly because we are in extremely bright sunny weather, and normally you would see a color difference, but this was done by a really good shop here locally in Fort Lauderdale, and they matched it dead on. Also, if you want to come look at the interior really quick, I'll give you guys a little preview of that. You can see all the black carbon fiber vinyl, and then also the carbon fiber trim right here, which is an option from the factory. So anyways, let's take this thing for a drive. All right, so we are driving the 2017 G65 AMG. This is obviously the Brabus AMG with the Widestar kit on it specifically. The truck drives very, very, very aggressively for an SUV. Because it's a G-Wagon, it still has that kind of clunky all-terrain feel to it, to where you kind of feel the bumps a little bit, and if you're turning, you're gonna feel a little bit of body roll because of the weight of the vehicle and the height. But this thing is extremely fast. It's got the V12 in it because it's the G65, so it's more powerful than the 63. It's gonna give you a higher top end. I believe that's gonna give you faster acceleration as well. This is the ultimate of G-Wagons. The 63 is a really, really nice vehicle already. It's a big step up from the 550. But the 65 is the king. And on top of that, if a V12 G65 is not badass enough for you or not stunting enough, you can always throw the G65 Brabus Widestar kit on it, which is what this one has. So this is basically the ultimate on top of the ultimate. As you can see, pickup on this truck is insane. And no, it's not a pickup truck. It's very, very quick. Probably gonna beat most things on the road. It's not gonna beat like a Trackhawk, which is obviously fresh on my mind because that's what I've been driving. But it is gonna beat most performance SUVs. It's gonna beat most performance cars, unless you're getting into like the crazy performance exotics or your homie who's whipping around a Civic that's got an LS swap. Overall, an awesome truck, drives very smoothly. It's pretty much the perfect SUV for someone who wants to have the sophistication and the bouginess of a Mercedes AMG, but also wants to have the earthy terrain or all-terrain off-road vibe and style of, I guess you'd say, like a pickup truck or something that's more utility based. So that's kind of like what the G65 is in summary, at least to me. And yeah, as always, follow us on Instagram at Exotic Car Trader and check out the website exoticcartrader.com, and have a beautiful day.